Look what we just got. She is huge. I mean, this belly is a sagapotamus. What? Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. We're gonna get her back in the water. Big old belly. Welcome back, everybody. Channel Chad Fishing here. I got Kenny, experimental fisherman, with me,
aka Pool Shark Kenny.
And I've been here about 2-3 nights. I went home, took a rest this morning, and my buddy said, let's go fishing tonight. You know me, I'm not gonna say no. In the first maybe 15 minutes, he got a nice carp. I got a nice one, but it's tough because there's so many millions and millions of shad running all around the shore, like everywhere. But please like and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna be having a lot more cool videos. We're trying to do the live at night, so I really want to show and take you guys with me, okay? Please like and subscribe.
Will you grab that thing out the back?
What?
The stake holder? Alright, you're on the board.
You can hear the shad everywhere. All right.
Same thing as last night. Same size and everything.
Yeah, same size, right?
Yep.
Pretty darn close.
Alright. First one of the night. We'll take it. Not as big as we had last night.
I thought I was gonna go.
As that one goes. But hey, we'll take it. We're overrun by the shad. Chad battling the shad.
It's thick. It's rough.
It's bad, dude. There's so many shad everywhere that I was starting to wonder if the carp would even be around tonight. But hey, we're number one on the board.
Yeah. Ooh, still see her. Still see her.
GPS said make a left turn.
All right, good job, bro.
All right, first one of the night. Let's do it.
Ooh. Look at this bull crap. Had enough of this bullhead baloney. Get out of my dreams. Mom. A little fish. Yeah, it's nothing big. Looks like a catfish. Oh, come on, man. Big time bummer, folks. Yeah.
Yep.
Got her. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god.
Oh my god, dude, this thing's heavy. I can't wait to get a weight on this thing.
That's 30.
On my short rod.
Yeah.
I love you, short rod.
Woo.
All right, let's wear.
Look at this beast Kenny just caught.
All right, on my tiny rod, my new PB. What'd you say it came in at?
32 pounds.
32 pounds. All right, let's do this. If you ever want to catch some amazing carp, come hang out with Channel Chad. Hit him up on Facebook. He'll take you out and get you on some fatties like these. Amazing night. Love it.
We're gonna release this beauty.
He's going right in
go.
the shell of us.
Yeah. Oh my god, she is huge. Woo.
There she goes. Surface rider.
Oh, cool. Good job, Kenny.
Still on the surface. New PB. Loving it. Check it out.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like this video or leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Thank you.